Di ba, you spent 10 years in corporate. How long was na parang may nagsasalita sa'yo na gusto mo na talaga mag-comedy? When did that start?
As early as like the first day of my
Really?
no, because ang pinaka-background niya is that I was in the musical theater org when I was in college. So in a way I always had that as an option. But because sabi ng tatay ko, hindi, kailangan maghanap mo ng tradition.
Which,
Ateneo Blue Repertory.
Blue Rep?
Ito, I was Blue Rep!
Yes!
I go Blue Rapper!
No, anyway, so going back to your question lang, umabot ako sa mga points na magtatakas ako sa work para pumila sa isang audition. Tapos ganito, pipila na ako sa audition, 1 oras na ako nandun. Tapos pag like, when I am 3 auditionees away na lang, aatras ako bigla. Because grabe yung negative self-talk na parang, hindi, wag na, mag-corporate ka na lang, di mo kaya yan, ganyan-ganyan. So, as early as like my first job, I always wanted to pursue it. Kaya by the time na year 7, year 8 na sa corporate, ang lakas-lakas na nung boses na yun sa utak ko of parang, hindi, dyan ka na, just stay in your lane. Like, you should be happy that you have a paying job that, you know, gets you comfortable. But that is good. But deep down, parang may hinahanap yung kaluluwa mo na parang gusto mong parang sa nalaga.
Baka sa corporate ka gano'n.
Correct. And ang story ko dyan is, I did my stand-up debut 1 week before lockdown.
Ooh.
Because all my improv peers were going to this open mic. Sabi ko, wait, gusto ko rin yan. So, pumasok ako dun sa open mic competition. Nag-place ako, parang 3rd place ako out of like 12 contestants. So, parang sabi ko, oh my God, I finally found it after waiting for 8-9 years. Tapos parang, magsusulat na ako, ready na ako, babalik na ako, magpo-perform na ako. Ito yung mga bago kong jokes. Tapos biglang, bahay muna. Pero ang pinakamaganda nangyari was, yung performance na yun, meron yung pro shot documentation na ang ganda. 2-cam setup, ang ganda ng sound. Tapos, ang nangyari, binigay sa akin yung kopya ng video na yun. Tapos, yun yung una kong video na nag-trending sa TikTok, which jump-started everything. Nakakatawa because I did the open mic, the comedy show, February. Tapos sabi, wala mo na lalabas ng bahay. Tapos, I sat on that clip for like 8-9 months. So, December, nung pinost ko siya sa TikTok, sumabog siya bigla. So, sometimes it's those like, merong magna-nudge sa'yo from the universe. Hindi, gawin mo na yan. Yun yung mga kailangan very aware ka sa breadcrumbs ng universe. Especially if you know na what you are pursuing is something that feels good to you and wala ka namang sinasagasaang tao. Diba? Like, go make that